Welcome to the demo of the Pharmacy Portal Android app. In this demo, first we will be going over a few technical details of the Android app, and then we will be diving straight into the demo. The Pharmacy Portal Android app is built to provide the customers with an online portal using which they can easily view the pharmacy at a glance without physically visiting it. In the picture on the right, you can have a sneak peek of how the app will look like on a mobile. Here are some of the design choices I have made. I have used SQLite as my backend database. The mobile operating system I have used is Android, and the language used is Java. Why SQLite? SQLite is open source and lightweight. It is a database administration that takes a small amount of disk storage, so it is an excellent choice of developers to develop a new application for Android. SQLite stores the data in the user device in the form of a text file. It is a zero configuration database, it is serverless, and it is secure. Using the Android SQLite DB browser, we can view the database structure and the data that the app creates. Here we can see that there are 7 tables created by the app, 5 of which are created by the developer and 2 of which are auto-created for bookkeeping. Let's look at the tables that I have created in more detail. Here you can see the medicine table that consists of the details of all the medicines in the database. We can see the trade name, the scientific name, the selling price, the manufacturer name, description and image. The image is stored as a blob. Let's look at another table. This is the customer table. Here I have created only a single customer with all the details of the customer. Now we will be looking at all the features of the Pharmacy Portal Android app. Now we will be having a short demo of the Pharmacy Portal Android app. First, upon opening the app, we will be directed to the login screen. And since we don't have an account, we will sign up and then log in. Let's enter all the details required for the customer registration. Note that the username cannot be changed after registration. We will be entering the username, password, email, first name, last name, date of birth, apartment number, street name, city, state, country, zip code, and phone number. So let's enter all the details and then click on register. These details are required for delivery. Upon clicking on register, we get a toast message that the registration has been successful. Now, using the same username and password, we can log into the app. Once we log in, we will be directed to the home screen where we can see the pharmacy at a glance. First, let's look at the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, we can see 4 items: home, cart, orders, and logout. We will be looking into each of the 4 items in more detail later on. The navigation bar can be brought out by clicking on the top left button or by dragging your finger on the screen from the left hand side. Coming back to home, we can view all the medicines in home, and by clicking on the individual medicines, we can view the details of the medicines. So let's look at Zipmol. We will be directed to the detailed view of Zipmol. Similarly, we can go back to home and click on another medicine, let's say Calpol, and we'll be directed to the detailed view of Calpol. Similarly for Azax. Now let's go back to home and look at the various details of the medicines more carefully. So let's have a look at Cipmol. Here we can see the trade name, the scientific name, the manufacturer name, the description, the average user rating and the selling price of the medicine. Now I will show you how to rate a medicine. As you can see, there are 5 stars, and by clicking on the stars we can easily rate the medicine. We'll also get a toast message that the rating has indeed been updated. You must have noticed that the average user rating gets updated whenever I rate the medicine. This is because currently I am the only user and my rating affects the average user rating. Therefore, the average user rating also gets computed correctly every time more and more ratings are added by various users to a medicine. Now, let's rate some other medicines. We can rate Calpol, and we can see the toast message again, and the average user rating is again affected. We can rate Azax, the average user rating is affected and the toast message is displayed. Similarly, we can do it for others as well. Now, let me show you how to add a medicine to cart. First, let's look at the cart. It's an empty cart. And now we'll be adding some medicines to the cart. Just click on add to cart and an item will be added to the cart. I have added 5 Cipmol tablets to the cart. And let's add some Azax tablets as well. And we can see that the cart has indeed been filled with these tablets. Now I'll be showing you how to clear a cart. Just click on the clear cart button and all the items in the cart will be cleared. A toast message will be displayed that there are no items in the cart. Now let's place an order. In order to do that, let's add some medicines to the cart. So just keep adding some medicines and we will add Cipmol, Azax and Azithral. Once all the items are added, select the payment method. Upon selecting the payment method, just click on place the order and you will be directed to my previous orders. Here you can see the order you just placed. Just click on that button and you will see the details of the order. Now let's place another order. So just select a few medicines and add them to the cart and place the order. So 1 Cipmol, 1 Calpol, and we have placed the order and we can view that the order has indeed been placed in my previous orders. In this way, we can view all our previous orders. Finally, we can log out. So just bring out the navigation bar and click on log out. Upon logging out, we will be redirected to the login page and now we can exit the app. To further improve the app, we can add support for card payment, we can add different views for vendor and staff, and we can add more features to enhance the user experience. Thank you for watching this video and meet you in the next one.